It's not fair. When mum and dad nag, stand up straight, don't be rude. It's so not fair. Cause the killer boy rap star schools thinks kids rule. So when they send you to your room, sing a little tune. You sing na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na.
It's snowing! Yes, it's snowing! Snow, snow, snow! Oh, think of all the snowballs I can make! That's not a snowman, that's a snow baby.
It's a snow girl, actually. Yeah, snow girl.
Oh, a snow girl? Ugh, what a waste of snow!
And she is going to win the prize.
Prize? What prize? What prize?
Oh, you don't know about the prize, Henry? Yeah, the prize, Henry.
No, I do not know about the prize. So are you going to tell me or not?
No. No.
Tell me, or Miss Frost for brains gets it.
You wouldn't.
Oh, I would.
All right, then. The best snowman wins a year's supply of free ice cream.
Yes, supply.
Is there an echo round here? A year's free supply, but you can forget about it, Henry, because I'm going to win.
Ha! We'll see about that. I'm going to make the biggest, best snowman ever. Hey, where's all my snow gone? Stop thief!
Thanks for the snow, Henry.
Oh, I've got to get some more snow from somewhere.
Bye, Dad. Have a lovely day at Tingly Choice Poshes.
Bye, Peter. Oh, look at that. I'll be late for work by the time I get this lot off.
Snow removal's at your service, Dad.
Oh, thank you, Henry. Well, thank you, Henry. That's very helpful.
My pleasure, Dad.
Here's 50 pence to go towards your pocket money.
Oh, thanks, Dad. How would you like to earn 20p, Peter?
Oh, yes, please, Henry. All done, Henry. Oh.
Now that's what I call a snowman.
Snow blob, more like.
You're just jealous because I've got more snow than you. I'm definitely going to win now.
Whatever.
Oh, I wonder what a year's supply of free ice cream looks like.
That's it. Pile it in.
Gotta keep moving.
What are you doing, Henry?
None of your business, worm.
You're making a snowman, aren't you? Can I help you?
No, now go away.
Mom! Henry won't let me make a snowman with him.
Don't be horrid, Henry. Oh, all right then.
I'm going to make my own snowman.
Go on then, smelly nappy baby. Just don't use any of my snow.
What snow?
No! I've used up all the snow! I need more! Fast! Yes! This should do it! Oops!
Oh, thanks for all the snow, Henry.
Snow, snow! I need more snow! But where can I get some? Aha! It's worth a try. Ready? Aim! Fire! Thanks for all the snow, Margaret!
Can I have some of your snow, Henry?
How many times do I have to tell you? N-O spells no, Peter!
Don't be horrid, Henry. Excuse me, Margaret. Could I have some of your snow? Of course you can, Peter. As long as you don't give any to that horrid brother of yours.
Well, can't stand about all day. I've got work to do. Presenting the abominable snowman! Ooh, that is definitely a winner!
Oh, presenting the dancing snow girl. Now that is a winner. Presenting the fairy snowman.
That's the worst snowman I've ever seen!
Don't be horrid, Henry.
Henry! Peter! Tea time!
Coming, Mom.
Don't you dare go anywhere near my abominable snowman!
Ha! As if I'd want to.
No! That's my snow! No! I'm gonna win! Mine's the biggest! What was that noise? Phew! But what if my snowman isn't the biggest? Better just make sure. Hang on a minute. What a cheat! Margaret sneaked out and put an extra ball of snow on top just to make sure she's going to win. Huh, well, I'm definitely going to put more snow on mine now. But where am I going to get more snow from?
That's it! Yes!
Now that's a winning snowman! Oh, a year's supply of free ice cream is mine! Woohoo!
Well, it seems that we have a winning snowman.
I've won!
Well done, Peter.
It seems as though all the other snowmen melted. So yours must have been a real giant.
Okay, I've got the best news ever. Ever. There's more Horrid Henry next!